Hey everybody, welcome to week 2 of online learning. So I'm just going to go through a few things, talk about what's going to be going on this week, and a few reminders. So again, everything you need, Schoology, you'll see a folder here for the second week, and you open that up, it'll have everything. I'll post this video as soon as it's ready, but you'll see the agenda, questions. So again, this is just a form. You can ask me any questions about class or anything else dealing with school. Here's a discussion board where I would like you all to use that so you can ask each other questions about the work you're doing. And again, the link to Khan Academy. So again, this week will look similar to last. You'll be working on lessons on Khan Academy. And let's take a look at that because there's a couple things I'm going to point out. So Khan Academy. One is, again, let's make sure that when I go and look in the roster, I see your name and not your student number. So it's easy to change when you're logged in. If you look in the upper right, you can modify your profile and update that to your first and last name. Okay, like here you go. Here's some students that have done that. Also, when you complete, you'll notice, actually, let me go to this in a different way. When you're working on this, on the assignments, you'll see we're working on, last week we worked on functions, and when you log in now, you'll see functions, and it may just be a video you watch, and then there's a challenge. But at the end of each of these, you'll see project. And so when you're done with that, it alerts me, and I go in to evaluate it. Okay, so you click I'm done, and then I will fill out the evaluation. Now, you aren't completely done unless you pass the evaluation, which means you meet all of the criteria up here, not the bonus stuff, just the other items. In this case, there are 3 that you have actually completed and they're part of your code. So some of you submitted and you are missing some things, so you won't see that it's completed until I evaluate it and you've hit all of the things you're supposed to complete. So again, you'll have all of these items here. Some are videos, then the short challenge for the topics. At the end, you'll have a project. It'll look the same this week when you're working on if, then, and logic statements. Okay, let's see. Anything else? Let's see. I look at my list, talked about that, talked about that, talked about that. Oh, the other change, which some of you may have noticed, is office hours. Simply now you click on this link to Google Meet, and then you'll use the nickname South HS-Schwederman, okay? And you will see that you cannot, you have to be in your district account, but you can't create a meeting, and you can only join active meetings, okay? So you'll click the join, and you'll type in that nickname, okay? And that's all here in the agenda for the office hours. Okay, again, office hours are not required, just another place for you to connect, touch base if you have questions about any of the work we're doing in class. So last here, I'll talk about all the ways you can communicate. Again, there are office hours to connect. There's question document you can fill out, and there's a discussion board, okay? I watch these regularly. I have all of them push notifications pushed to my phone, so I know if you do. So please take advantage of all that. Reach out if you have any questions, concerns. Some of you have done that. That's great. And I hope you have a great week, and I will talk to you later.